Hello and welcome to another Gema video on nozzles. In this particular video, we're going to focus on our deflector nozzles, or the NS04 series nozzles. The NS04 or deflector series comes in a variety of different sizes: 16, 24, 32, and 50 millimeter, each one offering a different pattern size. What makes the NS04 nozzles unique is the different deflectors and the diameter. As you see from the 16 millimeter deflector that we have on the gun here, the powder comes out of the gun, hits the back of the deflector, and is diffused or deflected around, creating a pattern that would be sized based on the diameter of the deflector. In this particular case, the 16 millimeter creates a 60 millimeter diameter pattern, or approximately 2 1/4 or slightly larger than 2 1/4 inches diameter pattern, and it's ideally suited for 150 millimeter target distance, or 6 inches, to 200 millimeters, 8 inches, with a maximum reach of 250 millimeters, or 10 inches. For a much larger pattern, we can change from the 16 millimeter to a 24 millimeter, which will change the diameter of the deflector, giving us a wider pattern. The 24 millimeter is slightly bigger in diameter, which creates a slightly larger pattern size. The 24 millimeter is ideally suited for target distance of 100 millimeters, or 4 inch, up to 150 millimeters, or 6 inch, with a maximum reach of 200 millimeters, or 8 inch. The pattern size created by the 24 millimeter is approximately 90 millimeters, or 3.5 inches. If you need a slightly larger pattern size, we can change from the 24 millimeter up to the next size, which is a 32 millimeter diameter. And you can see that again, it's increasing in size and diameter, which creates a wider pattern. The 32 millimeter is ideally suited for a target distance of 80 millimeters, or approximately 3 inches, to 120 millimeters, or 5 inches, with a maximum target distance of about 6 inches. The pattern size created by the 32 millimeter is approximately 110 millimeters, or about 4 1/4 inches. For those that are needing an even larger spray pattern, we can move to the 50 millimeter, which is our large spray pattern created by a large diameter deflector. The deflector is one of the larger sizes that we offer, creating a very wide pattern. The ideal target distance for a 50 millimeter deflector is anywhere from 50 millimeters, or approximately 2 inches, to 100 millimeters, or 4 inches, with a maximum reach of 120 millimeters, or 5 inches. The spray pattern created by the 50 millimeter deflector is approximately 200 millimeters, or about 8 inches. Very wide pattern for this particular deflector. The NS04 deflector is a useful tool for a variety of applications. Unlike the flat spray nozzles that we have outlined in previous videos, the deflector creates a different pattern. Whether you're using it for flat surfaces where it is considered suitable, recessed areas where it is conditionally suitable, or complex parts where it is considered suitable, the different deflector sizes, 16, 24, 32, or 50 millimeters, can provide a variety of different pattern size diameters, giving you the ability to apply powder in a uniform manner and get the best looking product possible. We hope that this helped you to understand a little bit more about the NS04 deflector series, and we thank you for watching.